Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today we will be playing Texas Chainsaw Massacre right there. As it says, I don't know if you can see it, but we'll be playing it. But before we start playing it, I want to warn you guys that this has blood, gore, strong language, and intense violence. If you don't mind my side-eyeing, I just had to read that right there. I would suggest if you guys were over the age of 17, or if you just have really strong guts or not scared, you can watch anytime. Alright, let's get straight to it. Hello. We will be playing Virginia. And if to all you guys that like to play this game, if you ever played it, here is my build. We have highly skilled, intuition, and what doesn't kill you. I don't have my boon level 3 yet, but I'll go ability cooldown reduction by 20%, and increase duration powder cloud by 5 seconds. You can choose any one of these up top, but I would suggest healing cloud as victims if you like to get hit a lot. My ability tree is right here. You go up the middle, take a left, take another left, keep going up. You got highly skilled right there. Take a left and what doesn't kill you. Go up here, and that's it. And intuition is basically a basic pick. But the build that I got this from uses Saboteur or Saboteur, whatever it's called. Don't judge me. But you take a left, and you gotta take another left. Highly skilled right there. Saboteur is right there, and what doesn't kill you is right here. And intuition is a basic perk. Everybody has this. I got 17 points into endurance and 13 into proficiency. Now, I hope you guys have a good time. And let's get straight to it. I don't know if you guys can hear this as well, but I can because I have a headset. But through my TV, I don't know if you can hear it well. But I just gotta do what I gotta do. I'm not a pro setup. I don't have this hooked up to my game. So, do not judge, please. But we are on a G station. Playing Virginia. And do not mind my button clicking too. Like I said, I don't have this hooked up to my TV or noise, so you gotta deal with it. We got Sissy, Nancy, and a hitchhiker. Better watch it for them traps. Should we go stealthy? Nah, we ain't going stealthy. What up, Connie, baby? There is a YouTuber where I got these builds from. His name is Arctic. A-R-C-T-I-K. Arctic. And that's how I'm kind of acting like him, the way I'm saying my words, but please don't mind that. I am myself sometimes. Get some of this powder.
No.
Hello, Leland. Oh, we got Connie in a trap. Nancy's swinging that Connie, I'm pretty sure. Or that could also have been Julie that caught in the trap. Ooh, Grandpa level 1. I am not a pro at this game, expecting to get killed a lot, alright? Hello, Nancy. Hello, Julie. And Connie. Oh, Hey, Hitchy.
You.
I got you, Julie.
We can get through this.
Got my powder. I got you.
We stay close.
Don't worry, girl.
Please.
Oh, here comes the old woman. Blinded. Door slammed. You know what I should be doing, Jen? You better get out of here. Julie, are we getting on this door? Nope, I can't do that. Ooh. Julie, baby, watch out. Ah. Ooh. Ooh, the hitchhiker fast. Alright, peace out. Ah. Get up. You got this. Let's go.
Thank you, God. I need this.
I better go stab the grandpa. Screw it, I'm moving. Nobody is gonna come down here. Oh, the Connie. Ooh, killed by hitchhiking. I'm pretty sure I heard her get killed. I'm not tight. Yeah! I hardly don't even see them.
Oh, Jesse.
Come on up the thicket. Let's do this. Look at me guarding a... Oh, I see you. Oh, you dead. Nancy can use a spy ability. I could look down into some bushes. Does she see me? Oh, yeah, she does. It's scary when you get a Nancy that actually... When you get a family member that actually checks bushes. You gotta be kidding me. Alright, on to the next game. We are switching it up a little. We're playing Leland this time. And I got these. I got Bounce Back Together, level 3. Been Working Out, and Choose Fight. My ability, I got level 1, Quicker Recharge level. Level 2, Restore Stamina. And level 3, Increase Stun Duration. We got max strength on this one. 3 into strength. 25 into proficiency. Oh, and I forgot to tell you what these perks do. Bounce Back Together. Better. Healing items used on you are 40% more effective. Counts for being healed and healing yourself. Been Working Out. Your strength is increased by 7. Choose Fight. Fight or flight. Choose fight. Sneak attacks and close encounters stun the family members for 5 seconds longer. If y'all want to see my build, we take a left right here. Go up. Take a right. And we got choose fight right there. Oh, and also when you take a left, you got Been Working Out right there. Go up a little, take a left. And you got Bounce Back Together right there. Alright, I'm currently in a lobby waiting. So, sorry if it's taking a little long. Oh, and this is how my ability tree looks like. I just kept Bounce Back Together optional. You can rock any perk you want. You can get Agitator, level 2. Incapacitating Grandpa has a greater negative effect on the family. Family bond is reduced by 2 levels. You can also rock No Cell. Getting hit by a family member results 40% less damage, has 1 charge. Level 3, 80% less damage and 3 charges. Or go Empowered, if you like grappling. You can, after surviving a close encounter, you gotta survive it, you would gain 70% max stamina. Level 3, 90% max. But that's what I just want to say. I just prefer to bounce back together because you mostly get hit and the healing items are kind of scarce. But anyway, that's what I wanted to tell you. Okay, it turns out the servers are kind of having a problem, and I cannot join. And it's taking way too long for family members to join. So, I am going to end the video right here. I hope you guys enjoyed. Peace out.